Pasteur from Mons-de-la-Coquette, France, discovered that the most infectious diseases are caused by germs, known as the germ theory of disease, is one of the most important in medical history. Pasteur began to examine why alcohol becomes contaminated with undesirable substances during fermentation. He soon demonstrated that this sort of fermentation is linked to the existence of a specific microorganism or ferment, a living being that can study by cultivation in an appropriate sterile medium. This insight is the basis of microbiology. Pasteur delivered the fatal blow to the doctrine of spontaneous generation. The theory held for 20 centuries that life could arise spontaneously in organic materials. He also developed the germ theory. At the same time, he discovered the existence of life without oxygen. Fermentation is the consequence of life without air. The discovery of anaerobic life paved the way for the study of germs that cause septicemia and gangrene, among other infections. Thanks to Pasteur, it became possible to devise techniques to kill microbes and to control fermentation. Off to you, Zane. Alright, back to Nathan.
Oh my god! Fermentation is a metabolic process that converts sugar to acids, gases, or alcohol. It usually occurs in yeast and bacteria. Fermentation can also be used more broadly to refer to the bulk growth of microorganisms on a growth medium. Fermentation takes place in a lack of oxygen and becomes the cell's primary means of energy, ATP production. To Taylor with the germ theory of disease.
Dun dun dun! Louis Pasteur later conducts experiments that support the germ theory of disease. The germ theory of disease states that some disease is caused by microorganisms. These small organisms, too small without magnification, invade humans, animals, and other living hosts. Their growth and reproduction within their host can cause disease.
Wow.